Alright guys, we back. 1991 Cadillac Brougham d'Elegance. She has a set of 22-inch spokes and bows, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Paint has a few minor imperfections and blemishes, but overall she's in nice driver quality condition. Top is in excellent condition. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. She's really nice and clean underneath. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. As y'all can see, she's solid as can be. Deck lid is in good shape. She has some minor chipping up here at the top, but she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. And the deck lid is automatic latching. Interior is nice and clean, and she has all the options: power windows, power locks, digital gauge cluster. Driver's seat has a rip in it right there. She can use a headliner. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat in good condition. Package tray nice and clean. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control. Let's start her up. Mileage reads a little over 15,000. That's what we call running like a sewing machine, guys. Make sure y'all visit us at rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos, financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.